Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems on matrices. Look at the board question. Question 1. If B and C are two matrices such that B is equal to matrix 1 3 minus 2 0 and C is equal to matrix 17 7 minus 4 minus 8. Find the matrix A so that BA is equal to C. Given condition is BA is equal to C and we have to find this matrix A. For that, first we have to determine the order of the matrix A. Listen, B. What is the order of B? 2 by 2. In the order of A is assume M by N is equal to what is the order of C? C is 2 by 2. Now, look here. These two are equal and these two are equal. Then these two are also equal to 2. Then what is M? M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 2. So, order of A is equal to A is 2 by 2. Now, we have to find a 2 by 2 matrix according to the given condition. Let A is equal to A, B, C, D. Then write the condition B, A is equal to C. 1, 3, minus 2, 0 into A. A is AB, CD is equal to C. 17, 7, minus 4, minus 8. Then multiply this one first row into first column. 1 into A plus 3 into C. Then 1 into B plus 3 into D. Here minus 2 into A plus 0 into C. Then minus 2 into B plus 0 into D is equal to 17, 7, minus 4, minus 8. Then first one A plus 3C, then B plus 3D, minus 2A, here minus 2B, 0 into C, 0, 0 into D, 0, equals 17, 7, minus 4, minus 8. Here we equate corresponding elements. First one A plus 3C is equal to 17 and B plus 3D is equal to 7. Next minus 2A is equal to minus 4. Then minus 2B is equal to minus 8. One variable minus 2A is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 by minus 2 is equal to 2. Next one variable is minus 2B is equal to minus 8. B is equal to, therefore B is equal to minus 8 by minus 2 is equal to 4. Then A plus 3C is equal to 17. Put A is equal to 2 here. 2 plus 3C is equal to 17. 3C is equal to 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. C equals 15 by 3 equals 5. Then B plus 3D is equal to 7. What is B? B equals 4 plus 3D is equal to 7. 3D equals 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, D is equal to 3 by 3 equals 1. We assume our matrix is ABCD. So, listen, which is our matrix? Write the values ABCD. A equals, what is A? 2, B. What is B? 4, C. 5, D. 1. So, our matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 1. A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 1. Then, second question. Second question. Find the matrix M such that M into matrix 3, 6 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 2, 16 equals minus 2, 16. Question is find the matrix M such that M into a matrix is equal to another matrix. First we have to determine the order of M. Suppose M is A by B and take this one is matrix A. Matrix A is 2 by 2 and this is the product. What is the order of this one? Row 1 by 2. So listen, assume the order of M is A by B, this is 2 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. Then according to our rule, these two are equal. Then these two are equal. These two are equal. So equal. What is B? B is equal to 2. And what is A? A is equal to 1. So what is the order of matrix? Order of matrix M is A by B is equal to 1 by 2. Then let M is equal to 1 by 2 means 1 row, 2 column. Let it be X, Y. This is, 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 column. This is and 1 by 2 matrix. Order of matrix is equal to 1 by 2. Then M. XY into 3, 6 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 2, 16. Then multiply left side. First row into first column. 3x minus 2y. Again first row into second column. 6x minus 8y equals minus 2, 16. This is first row into first column. Again first row into second column. 3x minus 2y, 6x minus 8y. Then equating 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 2 and 6x minus 8y is equal to 60. We have two equations. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 2 and 6x minus 8y is equal to 60. We have to solve these two and find x and y. Before solving this 6, 8, 16, we dividing throughout by 2. This equation reduces to 3x minus 4y is equal to 16 by 2, 8. Well, let this one is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Write together 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Next one 3x minus 4y is equal to 8. Equation 2. we have to eliminate any one of the coefficient. Here 3x, 3x, they are equal. We subtract. We have to eliminate the coefficient of x minus, plus, minus. 0, 2y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, y is equal to minus 10 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Put value of y is equal to minus 5 in any one of the given equation. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x minus, y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. 3x minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 3x plus 10 is equal to minus 2. 3x equals minus 2 minus 10 equals minus 12. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 by 3 is equal to minus 4. Value of x is minus 4. So, our matrix M is equal to, assume xy, M is equal to x minus 4, y minus 5. This is our M. Matrix M is minus 4, minus 5. Then, third question. Question 3. Given 8 minus 2, 1, 4 into x is equal to 12, 10. Write down the order of the matrix X. Write down the order of the matrix X. Question 2. Write matrix X. First we have to find the order of the matrix X. Listen. Given 8 minus 2. Suppose this one is a matrix A. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. And X. X is an A by B matrix. Suppose X is an A by B matrix. And what about this matrix? Product is 2 rows. 2 by 1 matrix. Now listen. These two are equal. Then these two are equal. Then these two are equal. So what is A? A is equal to 2. And what is B? B is equal to 1. So the order is 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Answer of first question. Answer of first order of X is 2 by 1. For doing second, let X is equal to 2 by 1, 2 rows and 1 column. Let X is equal to, this is 1, 2 rows and 1 column. X is equal to xy. Then substitute here 8 minus 2, 1, 4 into x, y is equal to 12, 10. Multiplication first row into first column. 8x minus 2y. Second row into first column. 1 into x plus 4y equals 12, 10. That is 8x minus 2y is equal to 12 and x plus 4y is equal to 10. First equation, 8x minus 2y is equal to 12. 8, 2, 12. Multiples of 2. So, dividing the root by 2, we get 4x minus y is equal to 12 by 2, 6. Equation 1. And second is x plus 4y is equal to 10. We have two equations. We have to eliminate any one of the coefficient. This is 4 and this also. To make this one also 4, we subtract, we will eliminate, we have to eliminate x. For that, 1 write itself. 4x minus y is equal to 6, equation 1. Then, equation 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 4x plus 16y is equal to 10 into 4, 40. This is equation 3. Then 1 minus 3. 4x minus 1 minus 3. 4x minus 4x, 0. Minus 17y is equal to minus 34. Y is equal to minus 34 by minus 17 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Put y is equal to 2 in any one of the given equation, either in 1, 2 or 3. Y is equal to 2 in 1. 4x minus 2 is equal to 6. 4x is equal to 6. 4x, y is equal to 2. 4x minus 2 is equal to 6. 4x is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. X is equal to 8 by 4 equals 2. So, our x is xy is equal to 2, 2. Matrix 2, 2. Then third question. Fourth question. State with reason whether the following are true or false. 1. Question 1. B is equal to B into A. Is it true? AB is equal to BA. This is false. False because multiplication is not commutative. Not commutative. First one, A into B is equal to B into A. This is false because multiplication is not commutative. Second one, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. What about this? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. What about multiplication? Associativity. Multiplication is, yes, this is true. Reason, multiplication is associative for matrices. Then third, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is false because laws of algebra are not applicable for matrices. Not applicable for matrices for A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is true because matrix multiplication is distributive over addition. Matrix multiplication is distributive over addition. This one is true. Then homework 9C 17 to 31. 9C 17 to 31. Thank you.